Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video, it's going to be an after dark clean with me. So I filmed half of this video just right after Christmas and the other half after we put the tree away. So in some of the clips you will see the tree up. Let's get on into the video. This is what kind of like my gisting looks like, getting my stuff together and cleaning my entire house looks like. Also, here I was about 4 months pregnant. Now I am much more pregnant than that and much bigger than I am here. But yeah, so I start off with ridding up my house, and I didn't really deep clean here. I only just ridded up the house and just lightly cleaned. But I start by ridding up the house, and then I dust the stairs, and then I work onward from there. I really hope you guys enjoyed the After Dark Clean with me, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!